What's up, YouTube guys? I want to bring you guys a special edition today, a 5-minute or less video on this M.2 magnetic docking station from ORICO. They sent this over to the channel to review, to check out, give my opinions and thoughts on it. So I appreciate you guys over at ORICO. Big shout out to y'all. Thank you for providing this product for review. Full disclaimers, guys, though, this will be my opinions and my experience based on this product and the time that I've had it. So let's start off with the price, okay? So they come in two different versions. You've got one that is going to essentially just be a M.2 docking station, so internal memory on there with some different peripherals on the outside. Basically, you got that version. Then you've got one that is not only going to have an M.2 internal storage, but it's also going to have an external access for things like this. So like micro SD, and then you got your regular size SD cards as well. So internal storage, but also this. And that's the version I have, okay? The one that has external and internal storage. Now, this is going to also come in 3 different colors. So you've got the silver, you've got the orange, and you're also going to have it in a blue version. So to go along with the blue iPhone, the orange iPhone, or like I've got silver, kind of that universal color. So without further ado, yeah, let's get into this. Let's check out and see what we got in here. So of course, you're going to start off with the actual docking station itself. Then beyond that, you're going to have the cable. This cable is going to be able to be used with your phone. So you guys can see right there, you've got your cable, a magnetic ring. So if your phone doesn't have MagSafe, to use that right there. Little thermal pads for when you do that M.2 storage. It's M.2 2230 NVMe storages. So you got thermal pads for that. User manual and little installation screwdriver right there. So that's what you're going to get included with it, guys. And let me tell you why this is such a good product in my opinion and what I have started using this for, okay? So the first thing that I'm going to mention to you guys is the price of storage. Right, y'all know RAM is kind of a crazy thing. Storage is a crazy thing with Sony, Samsung, PlayStation, man, Apple, Google. Everybody's charging out the wazoo for storage upgrades. So what this enables you to do is, especially with things like Log and ProRes from Apple, those eat up a lot of storage. So if you're like me and you've just got a bunch of extra memory cards, for example, this is a 256 gig micro SD, I believe it's called, memory card. You got access at your house with these lying around to just add additional 256 gigs to my phone to be able to use for recording that ProRes or that log video. So that's a huge value right there. This is another thing on the back. It's magnetic, like I mentioned. So it's going to very easily be able to go on the back. Let's get that on there. Go on the back of your phone, okay? Now with the S26 Ultra, you guys can see because of the camera bump, it's going to be kind of janky the way it sits on there, but it's not really going anywhere. This does fit a little bit better on the iPhone, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up and show y'all that it does work on there. And again, it's going to come in 2 versions. One without the external access to add additional storage. That's just going to be internal only. And then the one that I've got that has those 2 additional ports. I think it's about like maybe $5-6 difference. So if you go with the one without these external ports, it's going to be $54, $59 if you add these 2 external ports. Now, again, there's another cool thing besides the phone usage. So basically, that's what I've been using it with my phone. But if you're like me, again, you want to use this maybe dual purpose. You can actually open this up with one screw right here and install that M.2 2230 NVMe storage in there and use this with your computer just to add additional storage. So again, it's a docking station, but it's also external storage. So that's what I've personally found some uses since I've gotten this product, guys. I'm going to put it through the paces. I'm going to do some more testing myself just to see how well built this product is, how thorough it is. If I run into any issues, I will let you guys know in the comment section, or I might do an updated post video. I just want to take 5 minutes of your time, guys, and tell you about this awesome product that I'm checking out right now and I think it'll help you guys out. So appreciate you guys for stopping by. It's your boy Bobby G. Oh, and by the way, if you've made it this far in the video, guess what? I got a special something for you. In the video description today, I'm going to have a little bit something, okay? A little bit of a discount code for you guys to use to be able to get this product with a little bit off the top, okay? Again, a little bit of a discount code. So check that out in the video description, guys. It's your boy Bobby G. I appreciate y'all so much for checking out what comes with this and hear me kind of ramble about my use cases for it. Thanks so much. Take care and peace.